Welcome in for math today, friends. You're going to go ahead and stay in the slides to complete this numeracy activity. You're going to identify which quadrilateral does not belong and why. You'll type your answer in the box at the top. For our lesson today, we're going to be working on describing triangles. What do you notice about these triangles? Make sure to type in your answer on the slides. Triangles can be described by the number of sides that are of equal length, meaning they are the same length. We're going to be drawing lines to match the descriptions of the triangles. So let's go ahead and look at this first one. It says that no sides are equal in length. Which set do you think is not equal in any length? Well, this one has all equal sides. See how it's balanced? So A is not it. B does have one side that's much longer, but their other sides are equal. And so are E's. These two are long and this one is short. However, triangles C and D, well, they have lengths that are very different. One is very long, one is like a medium length, and then one is short. So the no sides that are equal would definitely go to C and D. Two sides that are equal in length, well, we've already talked about that. That would be B and E, because these two sides are equal, as are these two sides. And three sides that are all equal in length would go to triangle A, because all the sides are equal. We can also look and describe triangles by looking at their angles. We can see that there are different ways we can describe them this way. We're looking for a triangle that has at least one angle that is a right angle. Which set of triangles have at least one right angle? A little box in the corner. B and D have a right angle. So this is the triangle set that would have that description. How about one angle that is greater than a right angle, an obtuse angle? That would be C, that's bigger. And finally, three angles that are less than a right angle. That would be A and E. These are all less than 90 degrees. We can describe triangles by the type of sides or their angles. So these are all the different classifications of triangles. We can call them equally angular, meaning all of the angles are equal. These ones were all less, like our last example. We can call them acute triangles, meaning all of the angles are acute, less than 90 degrees. Right triangles have at least one right angle, or obtuse, which have at least one obtuse angle right there. We can also call triangles equilateral if all their sides are the same length. We can call them isosceles triangles if there are two sides that are the same length. And if no triangle lengths are the same on those sides, then we call it scalene because none of them have equal sides. What kind of triangle is this? Would you call this an equilateral, an isosceles, or a scalene? We'd call it an isosceles because it has two sides that are equal and one that is not. How about this one? You could call this a right triangle because it does have one right angle. Or you could also call it a scalene because none of them are equal sides. They're all different. Go ahead and go into your seesaw for your must-dos for today. Email your teacher if you have any questions.